So I am in the product shot area of Pixlr Designer, and let's say what I want to do is I want to utilize AI generated background over here as a product shot. In that case, over here in the background, you can simply go around and type in whatever you want, or you can suggest as well, and it says droplets on a leaf after a refreshing rain. And I'm just going to go around and say in a sunny weather right here, just like this. I'm just going to go around and add that in right here and click on generate. So now what you need to do is you need to wait for a while for the image to be generated over here. So we're not using any pre-made backgrounds right here, but we are using AI generated image over here. So you can see that it is generating over here just like this, and there you go. In the sunny weather, there is droplets of a leaf right here just like this, and that is what you can do. So you can also go around and say, let's say for example, stays in jungle outdoors right here just like this, and click on, let's say for example, repeat right here. And once you do that, what happens is that it processes it out as a background. So you can see that it is processing right here, which does take a while. And there you go. There's the stage, as you can see right here, in the middle of a jungle, as you can see just like this. And you can just go around and keep your product right here. And that is how you can utilize the product shot background AI generation option inside a Pixlr Designer. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.